Tired of soggy snacks and endless plastic bags? There's a smarter, greener way to store your food. Get ready to revolutionize your kitchen. Say goodbye to food waste. These reusable silicone bags create an airtight seal. They lock in freshness, extending your food's life by 3 to 5 times. Imagine perfectly fresh fruits, veggies, and marinated meats, ready whenever you are. No more throwing out spoiled groceries. This 10-pack comes with 3 versatile sizes: gallon, sandwich, and snack. Perfect for meal prepping, school lunches, or freezing leftovers. Made from durable, food-grade silicone, they're BPA-free and dishwasher safe. Cleanup is a breeze, making your life easier. Transparent design lets you see contents at a glance. Plus, they're microwavable and freezer safe, handling all your storage needs. Save money on disposable bags and reduce your environmental footprint. Join thousands of happy home cooks and parents who love these bags. Ready to upgrade your food storage? Click the link below to grab your koolstuffs reusable silicone bags today. Make meal prep and snack time simple, fresh, and sustainable.